What do you want to say?
Okay, so I have a Luna bar here, and I just want to ask, who's in charge of the flavoring department in these Luna bars? Chocolate peppermint stick? Really? Chocolate peppermint stick.
You don't like that?
Bro.
All right, we're on day 82. Hold on. Okay, we're on day 82. Slept in until 5:30 this morning. That was nice. Filtering some water here, and bird calls just now getting ready. Just kidding, but kind of. And already had our coffee and hot chocolate. Roadrunner is already packed up out there. I don't think you can see her, but she's way ahead of us. What else is new though? And yeah, we have the option of either 20 or 25 miles today. 20 being that we would have 5 miles for tomorrow. Or 5 miles more today to get to where we want to be tomorrow. If that makes sense. Kate?
Down, down, down.
Still have a piece of glitter. Just one. Okay, so I wanted to mention something. When we first started this trail, I was just doing one little packet of instant coffee. And then, I don't know, 400 or 500 miles in, started adding hot chocolate. And then that didn't seem like enough coffee. So then started adding 2 packets of instant coffee. And then just hit the 1,000-mile marker, and that was not enough. So now I'm up to 3 packets of instant coffee in the hot chocolate. So I don't know where I'm going to be when this trail's over, but right now I'm at 3. Okay, it is about 7:25, and we are headed out. Roadrunner has been patiently waiting for us all morning. Okay, so in 25 miles, we hit Donner's Pass, which will take us into Truckee, which is where we resupply. So our plan is to get as close to the pass as possible. There's a ski resort apparently, and they give hikers free 40-ounce malt liquor. We've heard it's King Cobra. I don't think I've ever had King Cobra, but if we get there early enough, it sounds nice. We'll see. We got 3 passes today, so 1 coming up right away, and 2 more. Whew. We reached the top of our first pass. That was not bad. I will not say easy because I might put my foot in my mouth, but that was not bad. I think so. Luna bar was delicious, except for I bit my tongue. Camera out. Camera's out. Hashtag content. How do you feel, Teds? Awesome.
The place. He sent me coordinates. I'm like, what am I gonna do with it?
Coordinates. We're confirmed. 9 a.m. tomorrow. Roadrunner has a trail angel that's gonna pick us up and give us a ride to Truckee. What's up, Brekkie? Derek. Good old Derek.
I'm a hodel. You shall not
You know the whole line, don't you?
Yeah.
There's a Balrog. What does he say about the Balrog?
This foe is beyond any of you. Run!
Chipotle restaurant, you know?
The Wolverine Bowl. Ski boundary, people. Buddy for skiing? Sorry. Well, we hiked to the very bottom of the mountain, still hiking to the bottom of the mountain. And then we will have to climb all the way back up.
Good sign filming.
Are you filming right now?
She's filming the sign
Yes.
and the mushrooms.
Oh.
What do you want to tell your fans?
Hello from way down here.
Okay, we stopped for a snack before our next big climb, which may or may not have turned into lunch. I don't know, we ate a lot. We are on our way up. Apparently, we only have 1,000-foot elevation gain in 3.6 miles, which is a lot better than the math I did about a minute ago. Here we go. Making it to the top of another ski slope. That's exciting. So I've never been to Tahoe before, and I'd always heard everybody talk about all the ski lifts, ski runs and stuff. Man, I didn't know y'all had like so many ski runs, ski lifts. This place is cool. That's exciting.
Did half of what was normal. Yeah. Oh, hello. Sorry. That looks like me yesterday.
Just finishing up a late lunch. Roadrunner and some more are ahead of us. We're all pushing to get to Donner Pass, which is our roadway into Truckee. We're gonna do that tomorrow. But at Donner Pass, there is a ski-like resort that has burgers and beers, which Bird Call and I may or may not go into, because we're supposed to get breakfast in the morning too. So we have about 10 more miles. We got one more pass. I think it's Tinker Pass or something like that. It's in it's 2.5 miles up to the top. And then it's generally like downhill, though it could be snowy, it could be slushy. Sometimes there's nothing easy about downhill. So we'll see how the rest of the day goes. But it's 3 o'clock now, and we're gonna crush. I think we're almost to the top. almost reached the top. How exciting. We got a big old downhill coming up. About 8 miles of it. We are just under 2 miles of Donner Pass, and I am stoked. My feet are sore from today's extravaganza, but other than that, I feel really good. How you feeling, baby?
I feel good.
All right, we are walking up to Donner Pass, and we are about to go to the Donner Ski Ranch, get a couple of burgers. Huge thank you to Tiffany, who this meal's on you, girl. Thank you so much. We're about to fill our bellies.
Thanks, Tiffany.
Donner Ski Ranch.
I'm gonna get a big old slice of tomato on my burger.
Oh yeah?
Yep, big slice of tomato, an onion ring, and a lettuce leaf, and French fries with salt.
Okay, good. She's very excited about it.
Behave natural. And the German flag.
Oh, look at
And the
that.
Swiss flag.
Excellent.
I did not expect this beer to taste so good.
Same. Okay, so this place offers free 40 ounces for PCT hikers. It is it's 40 ounces. It is Hurricane High Gravity, 8%, and we got 2 of them. Well, we each get 1 of them if we really want to. Right now we got 2 going.
40 ounces if we wanted.
If we really wanted to. All right, we're very full. I had a crispy chicken sandwich. You had?
I had a cheeseburger and also fries and also a Cobb salad.
Yeah.
And a few beers.
Yes, the beers.
Yes.
And now we are gonna go get back out on trail.
Prospect?